Hey, what's up guys? So with everyone working at home nowadays, there's a strong emphasis on getting good quality audio for all the meetings that you're running remotely. So I've been sent this speakerphone by a company called eMeet. It's the eMeet Luna wireless speakerphone. Now I'm going to give you a hands-on review of this to show you the quality of the audio that comes from this and if it's worth buying for your remote working. Now this comes in at £100 on Amazon or $100 on Amazon US. I'll leave a link in the description below on where you guys can check that out. But let's go ahead and see the capabilities of this wireless speakerphone. Okay, let's take a look. Right, so it does have a 2600 milliamp hour battery and it charges fully in around 3 to 4 hours. So this will give you a massive 12 hours of battery life at least. So there's plenty of ways that you can use this. Let's go ahead and open it up. There you have the minimalistic design for the speakerphone. We'll look at that in a second. Inside you have the USB-C charging cable, an auxiliary cable, and a USB wireless dongle in case you wanted to connect it wirelessly using this as well. Underneath you have the various user guides and quick start guides as well. Right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the buttons here. You have the power on button, the Bluetooth pairing button, you have the two volume buttons there. You can mute and unmute, answer and end calls, and this is the voice reduction technology as well. So what that means is with the inbuilt voice reduction, you can increase the speech enhancement. So what this means is you can drown out background noises of like keyboard taps and you adjusting your chair or any fan noises in the background. So standard office background noises there. So if you have a lot of stuff going on, then you press this and it will give you a little bit of the background noise reduction as well. So the people on the other end of the line will be able to hear you very clearly. Now it does have 3 microphones on various parts of the actual speakerphone as well. So it gives you a 360-degree voice pickup, which is perfect for up to 8 people in a meeting room spread apart. And best of all, it uses an auto vocal increase function. Now what this is, it adjusts the sound volume to balance the distance of the sound source. So if you have people that are very close to it, it will adjust the volume of this so that it's not too loud. And if you have someone maybe 2-3 meters apart, then it will adjust the volume a little bit louder just to capture the voice accurately when it's displaying it through the speakerphone. Now if you hold larger conference meetings, you can actually daisy chain this with another one of these eMeet Luna speakerphones, and you can connect it with a chain cable that you can buy separately and have up to 12 attendees pair up and use this on a large meeting. So as you've seen in the box, there's 4 ways to connect this. You have 2 wired ways, which is the USB-C cable that comes with it, and also the auxiliary cable that you can connect through the auxiliary input there. There's also 2 wireless ways you can do it. You can use the Bluetooth option there just at the front, or use the USB dongle, which will also give you wireless capability as well. You can clip the USB dongle there in the back in case you wanted to take this with you and use that format. But most of all, this is compatible with most popular conferencing apps like Skype, Zoom, Google Meet, GoToMeeting, FaceTime, and many more. So no matter which one you're using, it should be giving you perfect audio through any of those. So let's go ahead, turn this on, and I will pair it to my MacBook. So it's turned on, it's got a cool startup noise. And now it should be in Bluetooth pairing mode. So if I open Bluetooth preferences, you can see it's now showed up as eMeet Luna. I click on connect. And you got the confirmation noise. It's now connected as it is in the settings. So now I'm ready to make a phone call and give you a test audio. Alright guys, so I've just paired this with my phone. I'm gonna call my sister and to test out the audio and see what she thinks from my audio going into the speakerphone. So it's ringing directly through the eMeet.
Hello?
Hey, it's me. How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad. How are you?
Yeah, not bad. I'm actually just testing this new speakerphone. It's called the eMeet Luna, and I just wanted to get an idea from you if actually you can hear me quite clearly.
Sure.
And so right now I'm about maybe 30-40 centimeters away from the speakerphone. How do you think my audio is coming through?
It's quite clear, actually.
Okay, I just want to step back a little bit and just let me know what you think, if you can still hear me. So I'm about 1 meter away. Is it still quite clear?
Yeah, it's just going to be slightly quieter, but still quite clear.
Okay, cool. So there's a function on this called noise reduction technology. Right now I'm going to tap on my keyboard. If you can let me know, you can hear me tapping.
Yeah, I can hear you tapping.
Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this noise reduction button and do the same tapping as well. And let me know if you can still hear the keyboard taps. So give me a second.
Okay.
Voice AI on.
So that's voice AI on. So let me go ahead. Right, so now I'm just typing on my keyboard. Can you still hear the keyboard taps?
I can't hear the taps at all.
Ah, okay, that's pretty good. So that just was a quick test to see if you can drown out some of the background noises from my side. So I just wanted to test that. Seems like it's doing a great job. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll let you carry on with your day.
All right, see you later.
Thanks, cheers, bye. So I was quite surprised actually. I was using the keyboard to tap at the same level as I was before I turned the voice AI on. So she couldn't hear any of the background noise on that. So for me, that makes a massive difference because I am working from home quite a lot these days, and there's a lot of family noises coming from my backgrounds, and the fan is on, and there's just so much stuff going on, and sometimes I have to keep the speaker on my laptop muted, and I have to unmute every time when I know there's going to be a lot of background interference. So I definitely recommend this. Check out the link in the description below. Have a look on Amazon. This is very durable. It's made of metal as well, so it's not very cheap plastic or anything like that. It's strong and it's very portable as well. So you can take this in your backpack, travel with it if you need to. If you go back to the office and you hold meetings with other people in the room, then this should do a great job as well. I didn't get any problems with lag in terms of the Bluetooth or the wireless as well, so the audio was in real time. So for me, I can have great conversations with this at home, in my study, in my office. So that's about it, guys. I hope you found that useful. If you did like the video, then I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe. I've got a lot more cool gadgets I'm going to be reviewing in the future, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.